You've been good enough to get a little present. It's just a little one. You untie it? Yeah, untie it. Like you untie your shoes. There you go. Can you see? Hold on. Is it recording? What is that?
From Disney World!
Oh my goodness. Put it on.
What's it say on the back?
Olivia.
Wow, put it on. That goes around the front under your chin. Or it can go like that.
Awesome. What else is in there?
There's
A shirt.
a Disney World. 2013 Disney World.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
What do you think that means?
What?
What do you think it means?
I don't know.
Well, what year is it?
2013.
And what's
Oh.
that say?
2013 Disney World.
Well, so what do you think that means?
It's the year.
Yeah, but if it means the year 2013 and Disney World,
You guys got it in 2015.
no. Maybe we're going to Disney World.
Disney World!
I mean, tomorrow we're supposed to go where?
I think we're going to Disney World tomorrow.
And wait. In Italy there's Disney World?
No,
No,
we're going to Florida.
In Disney
My
World.
friend Mackenzie is there!
Wow.
My friend Mackenzie! Maybe I get to see her there!
No.
Probably not going to happen, but we're going to Disney World.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! This is the best thing! Oh my god! I can't believe it! I'm so excited!
What are you excited about?
To go to Disney World badly!
And who are you going to see there?
I get to see Minnie and Mickey Mouse. I get to see Ariel, Tinkerbell. I'm so excited!
What are you hugging?
I've been dying to go there. I've been dying to go to Disney World, Disneyland. I can't believe it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm so excited. I can't believe it. So it's like here in this thing. In this. I thought we were actually going to Italy.
No way.
I thought we were actually
That's
going to
14
Italy.
hours on a plane. Ain't nobody got time for that.
I can't believe it. How many hours is it on the plane to Florida?
1 hour.
What? 1 hour?
1 hour.
That's as long as a ride to National Jewish from Colorado to Denver.
Right.
That's amazing. That is not going to be a bad flight. Woo! So excited.
So we're going tomorrow morning.
And now we got to go pack, okay?